The funding from Hanfod Cymru will fund the meal that we have together in the middle of the day. That's really important to people. Many of the people who come say that that's one of the hardest things for them to cope with in the beginning when they come here, because they're so used to eating with a community at home, and here they're expected to eat on their own in their room in a shared house. So it's really nice when we can sit down together and have a meal. It's cooked by one of the asylum seekers themselves, and so the flavours depend on where that person has come from, and everybody enjoys that, and it's a way of appreciating each other's culture as well. The other thing which the funding will help is with the volunteer expenses, and we like to be able to offer volunteer opportunities to people from anywhere. Some of the volunteers live nearby and can just walk in, but some of them might be moved to a house that's further away and still want to come. So it means that we can offer them their bus fares if they need to travel in, and it's not dependent on people being able to afford that themselves. So that's another way that it's a tremendous help to us.